Good morning and welcome to 10.1. How can you compare and convert customary units of length? What are customary units of length? Can you name one?
American.
The American way. What we use in America, but what are they?
Inches, meters,
Not meters. Inches, length.
feet,
Miles.
time, weight,
No.
miles,
Stop. Listen. Length. How long something is. So inches. 12 inches is a.
but
3 feet are a.
yard, 5,280 feet
And a mile. So
is
inches, feet, yard, mile. Those are some of them. Here we go. To build a new swing, Mr. Matson needs 9 feet of rope for each side of the swing. That's the key right there. Did you notice what it said? 9 feet of rope for each side of the swing and 6 more feet for the monkey bar. The hardware store sells rope by the yard. How many feet of rope does Mr. Matson need for the swing? How many? He needs 9 for 9 for one side, 9 for the other side, and then he needs what?
6 more for the monkey bar.
So what is 9 plus 9?
18.
Plus 6?
23. 24.
Oh, I'm sorry.
24.
This is supposed to be just for the swing. No wonder you're looking at me like that. Okay. So 18 for the swing. How many feet does Mr. Matson need for the swing and the monkey bar? So now we have 18 for our swing, and he needed 6 more for the monkey bar. And 18 plus 6 was
24.
24 what? Feet. Mr. Matson needs to find how many yards of rope he needs to buy. Why does he have to do that?
Because they only sell
Rope by the yard. He will need to convert 24 feet into yards. How many groups of 3 feet are in 24 yards? 12-inch ruler is a foot. How many feet are in each yard? How many
3
sections is
feet.
this? Right. Here's 1, 2, and 3. So how am I going to figure out how many yards are in 24 feet? Divide it by, right, because we're at a small measurement, but we've got to get to a big one, and we only know these. So we have to take our total number of feet and divide it by what?
3.
So what is 24 divided by 3?
8.
8. We better put a 3 in here. And then I'll hit the button and see where we go. Oops. Is this it?
Yes.
Okay, so 3 feet divided by what? 24 divided by what? How many feet in a yard?
3.
There's a total of
8.
Oh man. Of 8. So Mr. Matson needs to buy 8 yards of rope. Okay, page 406. The distance between the new high school and the football field is 2 miles. How does this distance compare to 10,000 feet? So we're converting miles to feet. Think. 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So is our answer going to be have more numbers in it than the 2 miles, or we're going from a large to a small, So our, the number we find is going to grow, right? Okay. I need to multiply the total number of miles by what? Let's look at this. How many feet are in a mile?
5,280.
Okay, so we're going to multiply the number of feet by 5,280. Okay, so the total miles is 2. Feet in a mile is 5,280. So I have to multiply 5,280 by 2. Did you do that? I got 10,560. So 2 miles is equal to 10,560 feet. Step 2, compare right less than, greater than, or equal to. Since 10,560 is blank than 10,000, what is it? Greater than? Okay, is greater than 10,000. The distance between the new high school and the football field is greater than 10,000 feet. So if you're going from a larger unit of measurement, such as miles, and you're going to a smaller unit of feet, you're going to multiply your conversion. If you're going from feet, shorter unit of measure, to a longer unit of measure of miles, you're going to divide. Okay, now at example 2 on the bottom of page 406, it says mixed measures use more than one unit of measurement. So, like you might be 4 feet 6 inches tall. So you used feet and inches. Okay? You can convert a single unit measure to mixed measures. Convert 62 inches into feet and inches. 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. Okay, we got 62 inches. So we're at a small unit, and we want to take it to a bigger unit. So we're going to multiply or divide. Divide. Okay? So I am changing from a smaller unit to a larger unit. So I divide. Convert total inches. How many inches are in 1 foot? 12. So 62 divided by 12. If we have 62 and we're dividing by 12, how many 12s in 62?
5.
Right, that's what?
60.
60. So 6 divided by 12 is 5. What was our remaining?
2.
That's inches. So 62 inches is equal to 5 feet 2 inches. Any questions? No? All right. Okay, this is the explain at the bottom of page 406. It says, explain how to convert the mixed measure of 12 yards to 2 feet to a single unit of measurement in feet. Could we convert it to yards? Only if we used a fraction. So we're going to convert it to feet. So what are we going to do? We already have 2 feet. What are we going to do with 12 to figure out the feet? We're going to multiply it by what?
5.
How many feet in a yard?
3.
3. Okay, so we're going to take it times 3. What is 3 times 12? 3 times 2 is, and 3 times 1 is 3. So we have 36 feet for our 12 yards, and then we've got to add our other 2 feet. So we would have 38 feet. Now, I'm going to write that in words. So we multiplied 12 yards times 3 feet to get 36 feet. Then we added our 2 feet to get altogether 3 feet. So multiply 12 yards by 3 to get 36 feet, and then add 2 feet. Then our answer was 38 feet. Okay, this is Sharon Show, page 407. This is problem number 1 at the top. It says convert. So 2 miles, and we're converting that to yards. How many yards are in 1 mile? 160. Are we going to divide or multiply? Multiply. So 1,760 times 2. You should get 3,520. Please remember to put your comma in there. Okay, I want you to stop your recording, and I want you to do number 6, and then go back to or number 2 with the check mark, and then go back, turn it back on and see if you got it right. Number 2 with the check mark, you're going from a larger unit of measure to a smaller. So you're going to take your large unit of measure, you're going to look at your conversion chart. You need to start memorizing these. And that is equal to 18 feet. Okay? This is number 3 on that same page. If you're at home watching, you need to pause your recorder and do that one. Okay, so we're at a small unit, we're moving to a large unit, we're going to divide. So 90 divided by what? 12. $84, what does that leave us? So we have 7 feet with 6 inches left over.